This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take Marvel Legends apart. First, gather your essential tools: a hairdryer, a small flathead screwdriver, and a hobby knife. Next, set up a clean, well-lit workspace. This helps prevent losing any tiny pieces. Remember, different joints on your figures will require slightly different approaches, so always proceed with caution and patience. The key to safe disassembly is heating the plastic. Use a hairdryer on a low setting, directing the heat onto the joint for approximately 30 seconds. This makes the plastic pliable and less prone to breaking. Once the joint feels warm and slightly soft, gently twist and pull the pieces apart. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage to the figure's components. For joints secured with pins, carefully use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry them out. To separate the torso, apply heat around the waistline for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then, gently pull the two halves apart. Be aware that some figures might have internal pegs that require a bit of careful wiggling to release without causing any stress to the plastic. When reassembling your Marvel Legends figure, align the parts carefully and apply gentle, even pressure to snap them back into place. For any stubborn joints, a tiny drop of silicone shock oil can help them slide in more smoothly. After reassembly, always test the joint's full range of movement to ensure everything functions correctly and securely. This ensures your figure is ready for display or play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.